Hi Kirby fans, so today what we're going to be doing is getting that G5 back together. So what we'll do is we'll get straight to it. Hi Kirby fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, those new to the channel, if you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing your support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. And don't forget, anything that I use in the video today will be in the links in the description below, so make sure you check those out for all your Kirby requirements, bags, belts, anything to actually use. So make sure you check those out. So in the previous video, we got that G5 stripped down. You've seen the sorry state it was in. So today what we're going to be doing is fitting a new brush roll, new fan, and getting it all polished up. So what we'll do is we'll do a bit of a time lapse, get it all polished up, and then we'll time lapse and get it back together. So what we'll do is we'll get straight to it. Before we get this G5 back together, we're going to have to do some serious polishing. Now, I'm going to do it by hand, and it's going to be a time lapse purely to show you again that you don't need a buffer. You can just do it by hand with some wire wool and with some auto sol and mother's paste. So what we'll do is we'll jump into it and start polishing. Right, so this is everything you're going to polish. As you can see, it's quite corroded. Now, you're going to need some auto sol, you're going to need some mothers, and I will have links in the description below of where to get those from. And you're going to need some silvo. So you're going to need some silvo, some auto sol, and some mothers, and a little buffer. And then you also need some steel wool. That's very fine steel wool. So we'll just pull this to one side and we'll start polishing. So enjoy the music and we'll see how we go. got it all polished up, what we're going to do is do a bit of a time lapse again, and we'll jump back into it and get this Kirby back together so that we can run the airflow test and see if we can beat that 115 CFM. So what we'll do is we'll zoom in and jump into it. Right, so we've just got the heads put back on, like so, and the bag. Just put the bag in, and then just the lead. And the lead we can feed through, but obviously we haven't got a bottom hook, so I'm going to have to order a new plate for that. But this will do for now. So at least now we can get an airflow test. And what I'll do is I'll quickly zoom in and just show you. To me, it absolutely looks amazing. I mean, I probably could have got a better job done if I'd used the buffer, but I just wanted to show you that you can actually do it by hand. So I'll quickly zoom in and have a look around it. Right, so here is the Kirby G5. Like I say, I could probably get it a lot shinier if I'd used the buffer, but you can see that it's come up really well. So what we'll do now is we'll see what we can actually get airflow wise and put it on the CFM meter. Right, so now we're going to do the airflow test, and we're going to do the brush roll on because we've got a new brush roll in there. So headphones, just turn them down and we'll see what we get with the brush roll on. Oops, turn it on. And that's pushing out 113 CFM airflow. So that's cubic feet per minute. That's what it's looking. So now we'll do it with the brush roll off. Let's reset that. Max. And this is with the brush roll off. So again, headphones, just turn them down. So with the brush roll off, we're getting 122.256 CFM. That is astronomical. So that, I think, has got to be within tolerance of what it was brand spanking new. Right, so I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it was really informative, and it just shows you the improvements you can actually make with your Kirby by literally giving it a full service and a new fan. I mean, that G5 was in a bad condition, and we've brought it back to new. The CFM, which I will put on screen now, what the brush roll was and without the brush roll. So as you can see, the CFM on it is absolutely amazing improvement on what it actually was. If you want a step-by-step tutorial, there are plenty in the playlist. I will put a video link to one to make sure you check that out if you want to refurbish your Kirby. So again, those who are new to the channel, if you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. Don't forget, we're not that far off that 1500 subscriber mark when I'm going to announce what the next Kirby giveaway will be. That competition will launch at 2,000 subscribers, so you're not already subscribed, make sure you are to enter that competition. There's my Facebook page, Kirby Enthusiast, then you've also got No Kirby Left Behind, and you've also got Kirby Vacuum fan clubs for all. Thanks to everyone for supporting this channel, it's much appreciated. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one. before we get this G5 back together, we're going to have to do some serious flip. Right, before we get this polishing, Kirby Facebook, there's Kirby Thumbler,